What happened? Hey! What you define for here? I live in my community. Which kind you even wear on you? I don't, come on. I live in my community. They say then they arrest people. Then they arrest people. Where they for? Which people then they arrest? Then they arrest poor people. My side. All my community people don't run, come on. I say I don't know. Now you don't enter here. Now I don't know. See as I did. Only my shirt I feel wear, come on. I know they save here. No, they save here. Hey! You will go back. See my shoe. I should everything don't come out. You will go back. No, I carry bucket. They know they wear that kind shoe enter here. Hey! I got my car sponge. I go take bath. I don't know why I go take you. Now you enter here. Yeah, enter here. Okay, you will go back. Go back. Eh? Go back. I know they save here. You know they. I will take back. No, where that shoe. Here. Go back. I bet where I go from go. Go back. I bet go back. Jump fence. Go back.